We're diving into the top 5 most expensive cars in the world. These aren't your everyday supercars. We're talking bespoke, ultra-limited edition engineering marvels, selling for tens of millions of dollars. Number 5. Coming in at number 5 is the Pagani Huayra Codalunga. This Italian hypercar from Pagani has a famed long-tail design, just a handful of units made, and a price tag of roughly $7.4 million according to recent listings. First, the exclusivity, very few units. Then, the craftsmanship. Pagani uses exotic materials like carbon titanium, aerospace-grade metals, and its build quality is essentially handcrafted. The long-tail design isn't just for looks. It enhances aerodynamics and evokes Pagani's track heritage. Number 4. At number 4, we have the Bugatti Centodieci. Made by Bugatti, this is a tribute car to the legendary EB110, produced in ultra-limited numbers, just 10 units, and with a price tag around $9 million. The Centodieci packs monumental performance, think W16 engine territory, and iconic styling cues that recall Bugatti's heritage. This car sits at the intersection of engineering and collectible art. Number 3. Sliding into the third spot is the Bugatti Voiture Noire. This one is a one-off piece from Bugatti, with a reported sale price around $18.7 million. What makes it special is that it's truly unique, one of one, and built as a modern reinterpretation of Jean Bugatti's legendary Atlantic design. The quad-turbo W16 engine gives insane performance, but what really drives the cost is the bespoke build, the singularity, and the brand prestige. Number 2. For second place, we have the Rolls-Royce Droptail. From the ultra-luxury mark Rolls-Royce, this car reportedly cost around $28 million. What sets the Droptail apart is its coach-built nature. Each one is essentially a commission, where the client dictates many details. The design draws inspiration from yachts, with features like picnic table setups, parasols, and a rear deck that opens like a luxury boat. Number 1. And now, drum roll please, the top spot goes to the Rolls-Royce Droptail. This model has been cited as the most expensive new car ever built, with an estimated price around $30 million, or even higher depending on the spec. The Droptail, built on Rolls-Royce's architecture of luxury platform, comes in ultra-limited numbers, just 4 variations. And virtually every element is custom, from the twin-turbo V12 engine to an open-top coach-built body, wood and leather finish, and client-specific details like clocks that can be removed and worn as wristwatches. So there you have it, the top 5 most expensive cars in the world right now. Which one would you want in your garage if money were no object? Drop a comment below. I'd love to know your pick and why. Also, if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. Hit subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into car builds and automotive automation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.